Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Gunna here. We're gonna have him here. It's the first time, I believe, and this song is called Bittersweet. So we're gonna break down this one with a capo set here on the 2nd fret. We're gonna go with a pretty easy tutorial here. We have the basics of the guitar chords that are so cool. So we're gonna learn them, and with a great strumming pattern, it will be a great combination there. So let's go for Gunna's Bittersweet. So capo on 2nd, we have a couple of chords to go over. So let's start with the B minor 7. Alright, that's a bar chord, so you place the bar on the 2nd fret here. You don't have to bar the last E string. So just these 5 strings from bottom up like this, and then you have 4th on D and 3rd on B. We have the A, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. We also have the DA, that is basically the D chord, but with this A note included. So that is this. That is open A, open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We also have the E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We have the G as well, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. There we have all the tool, guys. So we're gonna take a look at this one, starting with the B minor 7, and we're gonna learn the strumming pattern. So grab that one, and one strumming round will be down, up, clap, up, down, up. All right? So down, up, then comes the clap, and then up, down, up. A couple of rounds to get the feeling for the rhythm here. Goes. And so on. So the verse play will be B minor 1, A1, and the DA2. We can start there. That's the half part of it. So. And the second half will be, again, B minor 1, A1, and E minor 2 in the end there. So. And that's it. So full round will be B minor 1, A1, and DA2, B minor 1, A1, and E minor 2, like this. And then comes the pre-chorus. Or the chords, it's not easy to split them from each other like that, but it starts about 33 seconds into this tutorial here, or in this song actually, and it goes with G1, A1, and E minor 2, and that portion you play for 3 rounds. So we can go G1, A1, E minor 2 for 3 rounds. And then it ends with G1, A1, G1, A1. So you just alternate the G and A for 2 rounds. It goes like this. And then you go back and play the verse play again, or if that is also combined with the chorus, I'm not sure there, but that is what you're gonna play afterwards. So it comes again, B minor A, D A, B minor A, E minor, like this. And you can play a little bit with it like this. Alright guys, so good luck with this one. Gunna's Bittersweet. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please feel free to reach back to me in your way. Leave a comment, like the tutorial, and till next time, play tuned.